Hey guys, welcome back. So I started off by applying the Sephora Makeup Foundation. So go ahead and apply that to all of the areas and then we'll go ahead and start blending away. Then I went ahead and applied some concealer around 2 shades lighter than her skin color, and I blended it in underneath the eyes and all of the highlight areas. Then you go ahead and set underneath the eyes with a powder. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to apply the contour powder to the cheek area to make it look a little bit more sculpted and defined. Now I'm applying a coral blush to the apples of her cheeks. And make sure you blend it outward so it makes it look more natural. So now we're going to go ahead and just fill in the natural brow line. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply a neutral color just to make it a really nice base to apply the coral color, which is going into the crease. Make sure you blend it upward and outward so it creates a really nice natural finish. Now I'm applying a neutral brown matte color to the outer crease to make it defined. And just keep applying a little bit more darker and darker color until it looks really good and blend it out. Next, you're going to apply a shimmery color. So I'm using this light iridescent color in the inner corner of her eyes. And it's best to pat it on so it creates more of a pigmented color and it looks super nice. Go ahead and apply that same color underneath the eyes so it makes it look brighter, and apply some mascara to the top and lower lashes. Now I'm applying this light nude lipstick color to the lips. And voila, she's done. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos.